What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles, and I have five motorcycle modifications that are questionable. Test driving everything and anything with two wheels to help you find your next bike. I'm Sean Kerr, and this is Srkcycles. Probably illegal, but for us motorcycles, like the speed limit and everything else, we'll just say questionable. Number one. Underbody lights. Every bike out there, most bikes out there actually have underbody lights. Apparently they're illegal. Now, if you're just parked and stopped at a parking lot, flip them on, what's the fun in that? Now, obviously laws are not all about fun, but I would actually have to argue to say that underbody lights make you make you much more visible to the people around you. Not as a distraction, but as, hey, you can see me. I have not gotten pulled over for underbody lights. I'm waiting for that day to happen because this is what my response is going to be. Oh, why'd you pull me over? I saw your underbody lights. Exactly. You saw me. I'm getting home tonight. I might go to jail, but after that, I will be getting home to my family. I am all about safety. Number two, exhaust. Apparently, performance exhaust, if you actually look at a lot of performance exhaust you'll see online, it'll say for off-road use only. And that's most of them. Here's a little something I found on the internet. 4 myths about motorcycle laws from the Law Office of James H. Guest, LLC. Aftermarket exhaust pipes violate a little-known federal law which prohibits the replacement of stock exhaust equipment on motorcycles with tailpipes not officially approved by the EPA. So basically, bikers who have made this conversion have broken the law. Critics contend that should degrade the value of the bikes. Who cares about the value? It doesn't make a difference in the value of the bikes. So potentially aftermarket exhausts are illegal. Now, I guess it's possible they could have an aftermarket exhaust that's approved by the EPA. I don't know. I mean, you know, they really want to restrict the EPA's all cracking down on everybody. So, number 3. Mirrors. You cannot take the mirrors off your bike. And pretty much if you have any safety feature on your bike, such as mirrors that you can see behind you, they don't want you to remove that. Now, you've seen a lot of people with one mirror. People with mirrors drop down below, underneath the bars. That's completely illegal. That's completely good. But when you just take off all your mirrors, it is a safety issue. There is when you're looking behind you and stuff, you do need to look to always make sure you get your blind spot, but mirrors are very handy. Leave them on. If you do take them off, you can't get busted for it. Number 4, removing the ugly reflectors that they put on the side and the front of the bike. Normally on the front of the swing arm, that big. You can literally take them off by just grabbing them and unscrewing them off, and you just throw them away or throw them in the woods. They're super ugly. Everyone takes them off. Apparently, that's illegal. If a cop wanted to, if he couldn't get you for anything else, he's going to be like, you have no reflectors, 20 years. Nah, he would give you some little minor fine, but you could get in trouble for it. And number 5, which is this one kind of blows my mind away. And honestly, this one makes me a bandit, rebel. Some guy that's constantly doing this. It's questionable. In some states, it's illegal to wear a GoPro on your helmet. Actually, not just a GoPro. Any hard object on the side of your helmet. So a Cine unit, a Cinecom unit, illegal. A GoPro, anywhere, illegal. Spikes, definitely illegal. And the reason being, so you can put it on your bike. No one cares about you recording. It's your life. You can record whatever you want to in public. Whether it's a two-party consent state or not, what the problem is they're saying it's making the helmet less safe because you have a hard object on the side of the helmet. I don't know. I'm going to keep on wearing my GoPro. We'll see what happens. I've been pulled over by the cops. I know police officers. None of them ever mentioned it. The way I look at it, I'm willing to pay the fine in order for me to have a GoPro on my helmet. One, it's safety. One, if something happens, I can use it for my insurance to say, hey, this is what happened. And just kind of, it protects me. So the risk of paying a $100 fine every once in a while, or ever, it's worth it. Oh, and maybe speeding. Speeding might be illegal. It's questionable. All right, guys, subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Come to the Srkcycles channel for bike tips and bike reviews and motorcycle tips and just all around just motorcycle content. And check out our other channel, Bikes and Beards, where we're getting into a whole lot of fun and a whole lot of trouble. We'll see you guys later.